Hello and welcome to our next lecture on learning Autodesk Inventor. In this video we are going to continue to using the sweep tool and we are going to make a simple hard drive. So let's get started. First we're going to create a new sketch. We're going to make it on the XY plane. And let's go ahead and create a circle here. Let's give it a radius of, let's say, 30 millimeters. Okay, now let's make it to the center here. We're going to use this constraint here. Oops, first let's make the center point visible. Alright, let's try it once again. And okay, now it's good. Just like in the previous video, we are going to make a center line because we are going to make an intersection here. Let's place this at the origin and let's split it here. Okay, now we're good. Now let's go and start a new sketch here. We're going to make it on the YZ plane. We will first make a line from the origin. Let's make it just big enough. Let's give it 150 millimeters. Right click, hit OK. Now we are going to give the hard drive a shape. Let's see if we have it correct. Let's try one more time. Okay, now it's good. Let's view it again from the right side. We are going to give it a shape like this, because that's what a random hard drive looks like. Let's move this here. And alright, let's click OK. Now we have this nice form. We can edit it. I'm just gonna edit a little bit to make it more realistic. And I think now it looks better. Okay. Go ahead and finish the sketch. And now we have this nice little curve here. We could just go ahead and make a model out of it by using the sweep tool, but we are going to make another part here, so we are going to make another sketch. Let's start it on the XZ plane. So right here, let's make it here. You're going to make an ellipse kind of let's make it like this. Okay, now it's good. Let's finish the sketch. Oh, I think we should have done it a little bit bigger. Let's go ahead and edit one more time. Double click on it. We are going to place it a little bit here. I'm gonna give it some dimensions from yeah, let's make it 20 by 15. Okay, now it looks better. Now we need to make the same thing again here. We are going to go create another sketch. We're going to make it on this plane. And we are going to make another curve. But this time we are going to make with this tool. Okay. From this point, just like this. Sorry, I want to make another intersection here because I'm gonna need this point right here. Let's go just finish this for now. Go to the sketch here, and we are going to make an intersection here. I see we can do that because this line is in another sketch, so we have to make a new line here. Let's make a line like this. Alright, now this must be aligned with the origin here, and this will be aligned with this point here. Okay, now we can make our split here and hit OK, finish the sketch. Now just go ahead and continue with our previous sketch. I think this is it. Okay. Now we will make first a line from here, and then we will give it a shape from this point here. Let's just go here, and we will gonna make an arc. Let's just go find that intersection here. Now we can go from the right side, and we're gonna make it this big. We can edit it later on. I'm just gonna make it a little bit bigger, like this. Just gonna undo that. Let's see if we still have it here. Okay, now it's good. Now we need to make our guided line. We're gonna start from here. Let's make another point here, and we can now view from the right side. So we're gonna first make it like this, and let's move it here because that's annoying. You just make these features so you could imagine that you will grab this with your hand, put your fingers on it. Let's move this a little bit here, here, and I think we're done now. And let's go ahead and finish the sketch here, and now we will try and make a sweep model. We will choose this path and guide rail, select the profile, select the path, select the guide rail. Let's see what we have done. And I did not foresee this, because now half of this is inside this part, but we're gonna just click OK for now and see what we will get. Now let's make the other part here. Let's go one more time, the sweep tool. Let's select this path and guide rail. Let's select the profile, select the path, and select this. As you can see, it worked just perfectly, but we will have to offset this a little bit. So this is pretty good. Or we could actually just go and edit this. Let's see if we can do something here. I'm gonna go and edit this. I'm just gonna move it a little bit here. Let's try this. And now it looks better. This is just a simple hard dryer. We can give it some color if you want. So let's go ahead and give it some color. Let's go here and let's choose a color, whatever color you want. I'm gonna make it with this color here. Just hit Control to select all the faces. I'm gonna select this as well. Just hit Control and this. Let's give it a, yeah, we'll give it a red color here. Now it has a red color. Let's go and give this a color as well. Just select it, hit Control to select multiple faces, and we're gonna give it a color, but not red. Let's try this. This looks pretty good, but I don't like it, so let's try with let's give it this and exit. So it's not the best hard dry in the world, but just so you can know, just so you know how to use the sweep tool. It's just an exercise on learning how to use the sweep tool. So that's it for this video. I'm going to save this. Let's go ahead and save it. File, save as, and let's call it hairdryer and hit save. Okay, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next lecture. Goodbye.